I'm a band. Stop being my business.
Rapunzel became a tree.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, and nothing got a feel like a feeling. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, then nothing got a dream like a same night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you, but tomorrow's slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Let me if you want
Guys. That's easier.
Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now.
Guys, he tricked me. I tried to catch up on me, but no.
To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now.
The aliens kidnapped us. We must find a way to run away. And we don't know what's gonna happen to
I feel
us.
like there's gonna be a hologram. I dreamed for a hologram, and it's happened.
Are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt
My legs are kind of shaking because I'm scared. What kind of movie is it gonna be?
We don't know.
I feel like there's gonna be a hologram.
nothing got a dream like a same night.
What do you mean 4D?
4D, it's better than 3D. It looks like real life, like really real. Yeah.
Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us.
Are we on the moon?
Teacher Daniel, if you're watching.
You look so blue.
Teacher Daniel, if you're watching this, I'm out there on the move, okay? My home
Look
is
into
not
my
on the
eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star.
I'm nervous and excited at the same time. I'm nervous-sided. Yeah? That's a thing.
More shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh.
สมองจะพัฒนาอย่างรวดเร็วแต่สิ่งที่น่ากลัวก็คือ ค
Somebody else, and that is you. Falling with you, not the only one doing me. You already feel it there.
Since you guys didn't have the 3D glasses, well, we could have just put the 3D glass frame on the camera, but they didn't allow to record. So the mostly the story is this guy is sad and he wanted to do an experiment. No, and then he accidentally he made a butterfly become alive, and then it was like the butterfly was coming next to me. It was cool. And what else happened? Oh, and then he threw some chemicals. Then the chemicals made all of the monsters. Then he threw some more chemicals. Then also made them. Then they made it rats, and then like rats and what do you call it? Rats and spiders. Yeah, rats and spiders. And then one of the what do you call it? One of the scientists helped him and get this kind of like laser gun. It shoots all of them, and then he accidentally sneezed, and then shoot the man, and then the man became small. Then it showed the end. It looks super duper real, and it was super duper fun, and also a little scary, but not that much. But it was so fun. Hey guys, this is the giant house, and we will just check if they will allow us to record. If they can, we will try to record for you guys. If we can't, sorry, you have to come to this place if you're in Bangkok. Yeah, this place is in Bangkok. So, bye. Guys, actually this is not a movie. We're in a giant house. Oh, this must be the giant's shoe. This is the giant's bird cage. Look at the giant's staff. And guys, right up there, the giant's lantern.
Now, me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, and nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a wave the twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love, ooh. Somebody else, and that is you. Falling with you, not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt like